Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this video here I'd like to focus in UCHITEC that having some sort of like a bullish signals coming in, and we want to check whether there's any further confirmation on this particular sign of strength. So again, we use one spread analysis to check is the current bars over here by using this volume. Is there any potential demands more than supply? So by looking into chart, first of all, very important thing is that I want to look into the overall background. So I think no need to further explain. This is a very strong background coming from probably just let me write it down over here. So this is a big wash last year, and then it goes up during a period of a long period of re-accumulation, and we got a false breakout previously. So again, for those that who study or attended the masterclass previously, you know there is a false breakout. So re-accumulation is still solid in this area. Finally breakout, high volume, first pullback after breaking up. Then we got high volumes to the top. This is a pretty big volume. I can say that suddenly just like climatic. And seems like the trend overall going through a period of re-accumulations again. So few things that we want to monitor from here, is that first of all, is this high volume come with sign of distributions or not? Again, I think for those that attended the masterclass revision the other day, I do talk about is actually it's a bit difficult for us to tell re-accumulation and distribution. But of course there are a few things that we can always check. Is that first of all, after high volume bars, is there any further UT high volume? So there's a few combinations that we don't want to see from the chart. So of course at the top here, luckily we don't have any high volume UT. So they tested 2 times. And then a money shakeout to confirm that someone is still keen and interested. If let's say these stocks come with pure distribution, most of the time they don't do a shakeout. So again, a shakeout is activity by smart money to shows that they still got intention by removing some weekend holder out from the market before they can go up higher. So a few things that also we can monitor from this trade is that we got the gaps. Obviously this is a pretty good gaps that it form actually a very good support level. Again, it's not a price level, but it's a price area. So we got spring, test, spring, shakeout, line change, and line change of course come with green Pentagon at the particular time. So this area is a high activity areas, so representing is a solid support. And how we do tell this is a solid support? There's level sign of strength at the bottoms. So few things you're going to do over here. Of course, you always want to use these main support areas for you to do a stop loss. Again, I'm not here to do buy call. It's totally up to you. But of course, I already entered earlier on with lower price. So my risk is lower. So let's say assuming today someone is going to enter. So if you enter and it break below this support level, but we put a little bit wider. So you are risking around like 5%. In this case. So of course, to the resistance, the main resistance on the top is almost like 9 to 10%. So risk to 1 against 2. So you can always try to hold for long term. If let's say one looking for a breakout or trading. Again, I'm not so sure whether it will make some pullbacks or not. Today or tomorrow. So like I said, always focus on where is your potential entry. Entry is very important, especially if you want to do short terms by lower down your risk. So by looking into each chart again, just a very quick one. Here again, a solid accumulation goes up thrust. Pull back, but it seems like they are holding well at the moment of trend 40s. So 2 things that you can do, of course, for those that trade short term, or maybe just mid term doing some few weeks thingy, then you can focus on daily chart. But for those that who focus long term a little bit, probably you want to hold the big trends. 6 months down the road, 1 year down the road. You can actually try to wait for probably a green Pentagon in this case. To look for long-term trends there. So overall, this is a quick review for UCHITEC. Of course, in my opinions, reversal is there with a shakeout, sign of strength. So again, for those looking for entry, continue monitor support areas. Who knows, it will retest again. With low volume. So there's areas that it give you a very low risk. So with this, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.